Before we begin, we'd like to thank our friends at Invecs Autocentrum, located along the Olongapugapan Road in San Fernando, Pampanga, for allowing us to feature some of their vehicles. You can find their contact details in the description of this video. Hey everyone, welcome to AutoPH. Today, we'll be checking out the 2017 Honda City 1.5e. This video will be a full tour and review of the City. We'll be checking out the different exterior and interior features. Here's the key, let's go ahead and check it out. The City 1.5e comes with a black cloth interior. This variant of the City comes with a standard key where you twist the key in the ignition to start the engine. This vehicle comes with a continuously variable transmission with low gear and sport mode. This vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with 120 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque. It is mated to a continuously variable transmission. Power is sent to the front wheels. The City is a subcompact sedan from Honda. The 6th generation was launched locally in April 2014. An updated version was launched in May 2017. A brand new 2017 Honda City 1.5e had an MSRP of 804,000 pesos. The City is equipped with smoked multi-reflector halogen headlights. The front fog lights are mounted on the bumper. The exterior color in this City is known as Crystal Black Pearl. On the rear, all variants of the City are equipped with incandescent taillights. This variant of the City comes with 15-inch alloy wheels in 175/65 R15 tires. It is equipped with disc brakes in front and drum brakes on the rear. This variant of the City is equipped with manual single-zone climate control. This vehicle is equipped with a double-din Kenwood head unit as standard. It comes with AM/FM radio, Pandora, Bluetooth, USB connectivity, auxiliary, and CD. Here you can select your different sources. On the upper right is your eject button, and on the bottom left is your USB port and auxiliary input. Here you have your display settings. It also comes with its own remote control. To the left of the steering wheel is your econ button and your power mirror controls. Here you have controls for your windows, door and window locks, and your automatic driver's side window. The rear seat in the City is good and better than most of its competitors in its class, probably second to the Nissan Almera. You get a single seat back pocket behind the front passenger seat. The City's trunk is decent with 536 liters of space. Underneath the floor, you can find your temporary spare tire and tools. That's all for the 2017 Honda City 1.5e. Please subscribe and watch out for more videos.